Looking for the best DSLR cameras of 2024? We've got you covered. Whether you're a pro, a hobbyist, or just starting your photography journey, the right camera can elevate your shots to the next level. Today, we're breaking down the best 6 DSLR cameras of 2024, focusing on the specs and features you need to know before buying. Links to more details are in the description, so let's dive in. Number 1. Canon EOS R5, best DSLR for professional shoots. First up is the Canon EOS R5, a powerhouse designed for professionals who need nothing but the best. With its 45-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, the EOS R5 delivers stunningly sharp images with vibrant colors and dynamic range. If you're someone who loves capturing wildlife or sports, the 20 FPS burst shooting mode ensures you never miss a moment. The EOS R5 also shines in its 8K video recording capabilities, making it perfect for hybrid shooters who need top-tier performance for both stills and video. Its dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system is lightning fast, offering 1,053 focus points that track subjects effortlessly, even in low light. With in-body image stabilization providing up to 8 stops of correction, handheld shooting has never been smoother. It doesn't skimp on connectivity either. You get dual card slots for CF Express and SD cards, ensuring flexibility and ample storage for those high-res files. Add in weather sealing, a crystal-clear 3.2-inch LCD touchscreen, and seamless wireless integration, and the Canon EOS R5 checks every box a pro photographer needs. Number 2. Nikon D780, best DSLR for versatility. Next on our list is the Nikon D780, the ultimate all-rounder for enthusiasts who want flexibility in both photography and videography. Packing a 24.5-megapixel full-frame sensor, the D780 captures stunningly clean and detailed images, even in challenging lighting conditions. Thanks to its Expeed 6 image processor, the camera offers an impressive ISO range of 51,200, which can expand to a whopping 204,800 for low-light shooting. The D780 is also a dream for video creators, offering 4K UHD video with no crop, delivering cinematic results. It supports 10-bit output via HDMI, allowing you to work with rich, detailed footage in post-production. What sets this camera apart is its hybrid autofocus system, combining 51-point phase detection AF for the viewfinder and 273-point on-sensor PDF in live view mode. This makes it equally reliable for traditional and modern shooting styles. Battery life is another highlight, with the D780 capable of shooting up to 2,260 photos on a single charge, perfect for long shoots or travel. Its durable build, dual UHS-2 SD card slots, and weather sealing ensure this camera is ready for any adventure. The D780 proves itself as a jack-of-all-trades DSLR that doesn't compromise on quality. Number 3. Sony Alpha 99. 2. Best DSLR for advanced features. Finally, we have the Sony Alpha 99 II, a DSLR that's packed with innovative features for serious photographers. It boasts a 42.4-megapixel full-frame Exmor-R CMOS sensor, delivering unparalleled detail and clarity, even in dim settings. Coupled with Sony's Bionz X image processor, the Alpha 99 II ensures fast performance and beautiful color reproduction across the board. What really stands out is its advanced hybrid autofocus system, which combines 79 phase detection points with 399 contrast detection points for unbeatable precision and tracking. This makes it an excellent choice for action photography or fast-moving subjects. With 12 FP's continuous shooting and an electronic front curtain shutter, you can shoot high-speed bursts without compromising on sharpness. For videographers, the Alpha 99 II offers 4K recording with S-Log3 support, giving you greater flexibility in color grading. Its 5-axis in-body stabilization compensates for camera shake, making handheld shooting smooth and reliable. The build quality is equally impressive, with a magnesium alloy body and dust and moisture-resistant design for rugged conditions. Sony's dedication to innovation shines through in the connectivity options as well, with dual card slots, built-in Wi-Fi, and a tiltable LCD screen for added convenience. The Alpha 99 II is perfect for those who demand cutting-edge performance without compromising on reliability. Number 4. Nikon Z9, best DSLR for action and wildlife photography. The Nikon Z9 sets a new standard for photographers who crave speed, precision, and durability. Designed with sports and wildlife photographers in mind, the Z9 features a 45.7 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor and Nikon's Xpeed 7 processor. This combination delivers breathtaking image quality and blazing fast performance. With a jaw-dropping 120 fps burst mode at 11 megapixel resolution or 20 fps at full resolution, you'll never miss a critical moment. What makes the Z9 truly shine is its advanced autofocus system with 493 focus points, including subject detection for people, animals, and even vehicles. Whether you're capturing birds in flight or a fast-paced race, the camera locks on with pinpoint accuracy. The Z9's blackout-free electronic viewfinder ensures you can track subjects seamlessly. Videographers will appreciate the Z9's ability to shoot 8K video at 60 FPS and 4K at 120 FPS, making it a powerhouse for hybrid creators. With 10-bit recording and NRAW support, you can push your footage to professional-grade standards. The robust magnesium alloy body, comprehensive weather sealing, and long battery life make this camera ideal for shooting in extreme environments. Simply put, the Nikon Z9 is the ultimate tool for action photography. Number 5. Pentax K1 Mark II, best DSLR for landscape photography. For those who adore capturing the great outdoors, the Pentax K1 Mark II is a dream come true. This DSLR boasts a 36.4 megapixel full-frame sensor that delivers outstanding image quality, perfect for capturing the intricate details of landscapes and architecture. Pentax's Prime 4 image processor ensures vibrant colors and excellent dynamic range, allowing you to tackle challenging lighting conditions with ease. What sets the K1 Mark II apart is its pixel shift resolution system. By taking multiple exposures and combining them, the camera produces ultra-high-resolution images with stunning detail. Its built-in Astro Tracer feature is a game-changer for night sky photography, automatically tracking stars for longer exposures without trails. The camera also features 5-axis in-body stabilization, ensuring sharp shots even when shooting handheld. With an ISO range up to 819,200, the K1 Mark II excels in low-light scenarios. Its rugged, weather-sealed body can handle harsh conditions, making it perfect for adventurous photographers. The tilting LCD screen adds versatility, allowing you to frame shots from tricky angles. If landscape photography is your passion, the Pentax K1 Mark II should be at the top of your list. Number 6. Canon EOS 90D, best DSLR for beginners. Rounding out our list is the Canon EOS 90D, an excellent choice for anyone new to DSLR photography who still wants professional-grade results. Its 32.5 megapixel APS-C sensor strikes a perfect balance between resolution and affordability, delivering sharp images with rich detail. The Digic 8 image processor ensures fast performance and excellent color reproduction. The EOS 90D is a versatile camera that performs equally well for stills and video. It offers uncropped 4K video recording at 30 FPS and Full HD at up to 120 FPS, making it a great entry point for budding videographers. The camera's dual-pixel CMOS AF system with eye detection autofocus ensures smooth and accurate focus, whether you're shooting portraits or action shots. One of the standout features of the EOS 90D is its impressive 10 FPS continuous shooting speed, perfect for capturing fast-moving subjects. Its optical viewfinder offers a bright, clear image, and the fully articulating touchscreen makes it easy to compose shots at any angle. Built with convenience in mind, the EOS 90D features Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for seamless file transfer and remote shooting. Its compact, lightweight design makes it easy to carry, and the user-friendly interface ensures a smooth learning curve for beginners. If you're looking for a camera that grows with you, the Canon EOS 90D is a fantastic investment. And that's a wrap on the 6 best DSLR cameras of 2024. Whether you're chasing stunning stills, cinematic videos, or versatile performance, there's a perfect pick for you here. Ready to level up your photography? Check out the links in the description for more details, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more top picks. See you in the next one!